Hey guys, Samantha the Sand here. Got a deck profile for you. It's September format ban list windups. Uh, Sorry, I haven't posted a video in a long time, guys. Some life issues were getting to me. So, but without further ado, here's the deck list. Yeah. Mandatory for the deck. Triple Shark. It's a lot. Most of your combos come off of Shark. Triple Magician. 90% of your plays come off of Shark and Magician, or Magician and Triple Rabbit. Triple Rat. I was debating whether or not this card is a necessity, but the search for the card is just too incredible. Then the non-wind-up monsters in the list. Double Tour Guide. Sangan, obvious. Get your Zen Mighty, Zen Mains plays. I opt for Double Veiler. Still good. I do side max these, so I switch between the two comfortably. Personal attack choice, Double Doom Cow. Works really well. I can stun out my opponent, wait for my key pieces to add to my hand, and then let them die. And one Gores. A lot of OTK, especially with windups now. They're setting the meta. This card will definitely come in handy. Spells, staples. Heavy Storm, Dark Hole. I play double MST. I'll play one more, probably. If I can keep going through playtesting, I'll find out what I'm going to take out. Mind Control. Double Factory, or Triple Factory, very important. It's like the Black Whirlwind of the deck. Double Luminary level B. I'm debating whether or not I should switch this to another Bottomless and another Space Typhoon. This does tend to stall out a lot of big synchro decks, a lot of Teledad, now that Emergency Teleport's up to 3. Double Torrential, very important. Double D-Prison, again, very important. Double Solemn Warning, very important. Double Mirror Force, kind of a necessity. Single Bottomless. Again, thinking about switching into 2 Bottomless, Triple MST. But the eliminaries are really nice. Extra deck, Zen Main, or Zen Mile, Adrius, Tyrus. I do have a Shockmaster, but I like the Shark Drake play. Shark Drake OTK is kind of nice. Definitely pushes really hard. Utopia, Poplar Operative. Most of your plays come off of this card, comboed with Zen Maester. Steelstorm Roach for those straggler heroes and whatever. Maystroke. Acid Golem. Leviathan. I'm probably going to get rid of the Leviathan for another 4 options. Giga Brilliant. Leviair. Zen Mains. And Zen Mighty. That's it for the deck profile. If you guys got any questions, shout or hit me up. if you're looking for spare wind-up stuff, I have it. So PM me if you want it. But other than that, Tsunami to the Sand out.